on me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, today is a video tutorial to show you viewers how to achieve this CHUN inspired hairstyle. And today I'm collaborating with the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique, and this is their box braided wig. I'll leave the links to the website in the description box down below. If you are interested, I also have a coupon code for you viewers, which is my name, ATIVEL15, for 15% off. And if you want to know a review about this wig, check out the description box down below, or on top here or there. I will link up all the information in the description down below, and also at the end of the video on the right hand corner and the left hand corner. Also, do not forget to share this video if you want to know how I achieved this CHUN inspired.